Hello children. I was explaining chapter 1, the invention of shoes in English literature, and I have explained page number 1 and 2. Now let's start page number 3. As I have told you student, please open this page number and take pencil in your hand, and please put your pencil on the line which I will read. As I've told you, King Hobo was worried, and he was worried about his feet getting dirty whenever he stepped on the ground, and he wanted to get rid of the dust in his kingdom so that his feet would remain clean. Okay, now then let's see what after that what happened. Someone else suggested keep the king indoors. See to it that there's no hole or loophole anywhere. If he does not step on dust, no dust shall touch his royal feet. And after that, someone has suggested to him that keep the king indoors, means he will not go outside and he will always indoor. And after that, and it makes sure that there is not any hole or loophole. Loophole means students a narrow escape route, and make sure that there is not any hole or loophole anywhere. And if does not step on the dust, means if the king will not step on the dust, then dust shall not touch his royal feet, and this is the solution of his problem. But student, this is the exact solution of the problem. How it's possible king will indoors and he will not go outside? If he will not go outside, then how he will solve problem of anyone else and the people of his kingdom? The king said, very true, but I am worried. If I were to stay shut up indoors every day, all day, then the royal machinery shall come to a stop, my kingdom shall be ruined. The royal machinery means student, the system and the procedures of the kingdom. The system and procedure of the kingdom. And ruined means student, spoiled or destroyed, we can say. And after listening this suggestion, king said, it's true, it's good, but I am worried about that. If I will always stay indoors, I will not step outside, then the system and procedure of the kingdom will ruin, and how it will be continue. So I am worried of this. We can say the king did not accept this idea. The king did not accept this idea because he felt his royal work would get stopped and the kingdom would be ruined if he stayed indoors. Next, then taking matters into his own hands, the king announced, call the tanners, all of them, wrap the whole land in leather. This shall be my great contribution, a mighty blanket for the dusty earth. After that, the king is saying that you are fail and I don't like all of your ideas. Now, I am going to take this matter in my hand, means I will take out the solution of this problem. And my solution is what? That call the tanners. Tanners means student, people who make leather. People who make leather, then they call the person who make leather, and that person will cover the whole land with leather. With leather. Is it possible? No, that we will cover the land with using the leather. It's not possible. Okay, then but this is the solution of the king, and after that the king is saying, this is my great contribution and a mighty blanket for the dusty earth. This is the solution, that we will cover the earth by using the leather. Everyone bowed to the king. What a brilliant idea, Your Royal Highness. They said, it is only a question of finding a tanner good enough. Everyone bowed means student bent over. Everyone bent over to the king and they praised the solution. This solution which the king has suggested, and they praised and they everyone liked there, and they said, now there's only one question, there's only one problem, that to find a good tanner. Now the problem has solved, but now there's only one problem, to find a good tanner. The royal emissaries set off in every which way. Everyone stopped what they were doing and rushed out to look for a tanner good enough. Emissaries students means messengers or representatives. The messengers of the royal messengers and representative start doing something. Set off means students, set off is a phrase, it means phrasal verb, it means start doing something. Okay, then the messengers start doing work, and what they are doing, they started to find the good tanner, and everyone stopped their work. Now they were doing a single word, what they everyone in hurry, and they rushed out to look for a good tanner. Where could they find such a tanner, and where could they find so much leather? But there is a one question also, where they will find a such tanner. If they will find a good tanner, then what will happen? They are able to find so much leather to cover earth. Earth is not a small place, it's a very big. It's possible that anyone can cover the earth by using leather, and where they will find this much leather? But what happened? At last, the chief tanner of the kingdom presented himself at the royal court. He was an old man. He bowed to the king, and king smiled a little and said, "If your royal highness permits, I have a suggestion to make it might fulfill your wish in a simple yet effective way." After that, at last, chief tanner has presented himself in the kingdom, and at the royal court, and that was an old man, and he bowed to the king, and he smiled and said that if you will give me permission, then I have a suggestion of this problem. If you will give me permission, then I will put my suggestion in front of you. And my suggestion is simple, it's very simple, but it's very effective also. If you will give me permission, then I will suggest this suggestion. "You may make your suggestion," said the king. Then now king gave him permission that yes, you can present your suggestion, you can make your suggestion here. Then what he gave the suggestion? "Cover your royal feet, your royal highness," said the old tanner, "then you shall not have to cover the whole earth." What that old tanner has suggested, that cover your feet instead of covering the earth. If you will cover your feet, then you shall not have to cover the whole earth, and if you will cover your feet, then the dust does not touch your feet. It's a simple. That the tanner offered a simple solution that could be easily worked out without causing hardship and difficulty to others. If he wanted to protect his feet, if the king wanted to protect his feet, all that the king needed to do was cover his feet. If king wanted to protect his feet, then he has to cover his feet. But the others in the kingdom offered suggestion without thinking if they were practically possible. The ideas caused a lot of difficulty and hardship to everyone in the kingdom. But now the suggestion of this tanner is really very good. But what happened? If it was all that easy to solve the problem, said the king, would everyone in the kingdom have lost their sleep over it? Then king said, lost their sleep over it, student, been extremely worried about it. The king said that if this problem has this very easy suggestion or solution, then why everyone in my kingdom has been extremely worried about it? Arrest the fellow, said Goburai, and throw him into the jail. After listening that, the Goburai, the minister, told that arrest that old person, arrest that old tanner, and throw him into the jail. Why he has told that? But as the minister and the others could not solve the problem the king faced, an old tanner could think of an easy solution for the problem, and even after he gave a solution also, his minister decided to arrest him instead of appreciating his idea. He thought that this idea was a foolish suggestion. He thought that this suggestion is a foolish suggestion. That's why he told that the arrest that fellow and throw him into the jail. But he should appreciate to the tanner. But instead of appreciating him, he want that throw him into the jail. But already the old tanner was deep at work, sitting down at king's feet. He had been measuring and cutting, stitching and fitting. Before the king could decide whether to throw him into the jail or forgive him. But old tanner was very excellent in his work, and he was started his work. Even he sat down at the king's feet, and he took the measure also, and cutting. He started the cutting and stitching and fitting. Means he has started his work in making the shoes. And before the king could decide whether to, now the king has even not decided that to throw him into the jail or whatever to do, to forgive him. He had finished a neat pair of shoes. The old tanner has finished, or we can say made a neat pair of shoes, and presented it to his royal highness, and it presented to the king. Means the old tenant didn't take too much time. After saying that, he started to work, and even he made shoes also, and he presented to king. King Hobu put on the shoes. They fit him perfectly. His royal feet felt warm and snug, and most importantly clean. And after that, King Hobu put on that shoes, and they fit him perfectly. The shoes was exactly perfect, and it fit to his feet, and the royal feet felt warm and snug. Snug means a student well protected and comfortable. After wearing that shoes, the feet of the king feel very comfortable and well protected. And most importantly, now it's clean. It will not get dirty again. The minister spared the old tanner. He said, I had the same idea myself. Some way or the other, the fellow must have got hold my idea. After listening that, the minister spared, we can say save or leave. He left the old tanner, and he told that I have the same idea, and he has taken the, and we can say he has to hold my idea. And so from that they began the use of shoes. The royal feet was saved, so was Gogu, and so was the earth. And after from that day, everyone has started to use the shoes, and now the royal feet was saved. Not the royal feet, everyone's feet was saved. From that day, everyone started to use the shoes, and now the Gogu was also saved. Why? Because that king told that if you will not take out the solution of this problem, if you will not solve this problem, then I will not leave you, I will not spare you. Okay. Now after that, he was also saved, and the earth was also saved, students, because they have done a lots of the king and the men had already done enough damage to the earth by sweeping all the mud and then emptying the rivers and lakes. Then they have already damaged the earth, and now the earth has also saved. I hope, students, you all have understood. Thank you.